Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Harsha Saraugi Gupta, a dermatologist, and today I'll be talking to you about retinol. Now, we all have either used retinol or heard about it, but what exactly is it? It is a derivative of vitamin A, and what it does is that it helps in increasing the cell turnover, hence, it improves the texture of the skin, it reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and also it improves certain conditions like acne. Now, is it good to add retinol into your routine? Well, it has to be customized. It's not something which anyone and everyone can use, especially because retinol has a tendency of making your skin a little dry. Therefore, patients who have certain skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis, or maybe certain other allergic conditions, should refrain from using retinol. But in case you don't suffer from any of these, it is a great introduction into your everyday regime, especially in patients in their 40s, because they have started to show signs of aging. That is when retinol plays a big role, because it increases the cell turnover and therefore it improves the skin texture by improving the quality of the skin cells. Therefore, start slow. Start with using retinol just once or twice a week, 1 or 2 drops on your face. Use ample amount of moisturizer post you use the retinol, and make sure to protect your skin from the sun in the morning by using a good SPF sunscreen. This is a very important step, because when your skin starts to show signs of cell turnover production, it has to be protected well from the sun as well, and you need to moisturize your skin in order to give your cell the moisture that it needs. This is when the retinol is going to show the maximum results. So it's just not retinol, it has to be used along with these things. Therefore, don't just use any product which is available. Choose a product recommended by a dermatologist, because sometimes the over-the-counter products contain retinol, but it might not be in a quantity that is sufficient for your skin. Retinol has to be in a certain concentration for it to show results, and these products will only be given by a dermatologist, because these are prescription-based medicine. This is not something which you can just apply over the counter and see equal results, because it is a vitamin A derivative. It is a product which is only prescription based. You will not find it at normal pharmacies without a prescription. Therefore, visit a dermatologist and choose what skincare is good for you. Choose a customized treatment plan by the dermatologist, and then start using the product. That is when you see the maximum results, because your skincare is different and your skin is different from the rest of the world. Therefore, your treatment will also be different from the rest of the people. Thank you so much.